camera. This is a message from the mutated cyborg mushrooms from the future. We have come in order to survive. We have a man ready to take over. The slime race has become extinct and replaced by green magma cubes. Not magma cubes, but companion cubes. God dang it! We've come in order to survive the extinction, the great world coming, where we come back to the past and take over the human race. You must become one of us. We are the mutated. Dang it. Sorry, that was an interrupt screen. But you must survive by stop killing mushrooms. The mushroom army will not take over Earth and make humans extinct. We won't. You see what we did to skeletons? We made them great. You see what we did to our arch enemy, the sheep? Just look at them. We did things to them that we will do to the human race if we do not stop. This has been and look, creepers are thieves now. They'll blow up your house and steal all your stuff. We have done this. The power of us are great in number. Do not destroy us. Stop killing mushrooms. And this will not happen. Or else we'll send some freaking Daleks on you. Oh yeah, the Daleks from Doctor Who. Yeah, we'll do that. We will. Don't you think we don't? We have them on hold for now. Until you stop killing mushrooms. We will not stop until all of humanity is dead. And we have powers of spawn eggs. On all of your worlds will spawn tons of burglar creepers. You should actually make a mod for that. Oh Jesus, that'd be awesome. Awesome mod. And the cyborg mushrooms. It will happen in the future if you don't stop killing us. If you don't stop, the whole world will be destroyed and we will not stop the rain. We will make it where you can't. We will kill you all. We'll kill you all! That's all, camera mushroom. We can get done with this. We're done with this video. Now send it to the human race.